From Mexico and Induma. Here's the machine we're going to be shipping down to you. It's a Brazing 100 running a aluminum assembly. We're going to kind of do a quick review of this, showing you how it runs and brazes. Just load the part into the nesting fixture. D is going to hit 2 palm buttons. Starts the cycle. Applies the aluminum paste, NPA 1070. You'll see the propane air flames. Putting a good amount of paste on this part in order to have nice fillets. You see the paste will stay up on the fitting ledge, won't run over. We're going to send you all the necessary flows and everything that this machine takes. So you'll be able to duplicate this at the show and in your showroom. A little air delay for cooling, and then a water.